Okay, check it out. I've been streaming with the Elgato StreamDeck, 32 keys, extra large for quite a while already, and I love it. I think it's a fantastic piece of equipment, and in fact, it's one of my favorite pieces of equipment that I have had here in my studio. So what I want to do is that I want to show you a video that I recorded a while ago and kind of give you an unboxing so you can see it. Now, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Here in the Content Creator Tools channel, I post videos about things that is going to help you become a better creator. So I definitely appreciate when you watch and you put comments down below. Okay, so I'm pumped about this. This is a Stream Deck from Elgato. This is 32 keys, and this is going to be one of your favorite tools you're going to have. I'm telling you right now, because it allows you to do so many different things, right? Specifically when you're live streaming, also when you're recording videos and things like that. So you could bring lower thirds, you could bring videos, you could run different scenes if you're using it in something like Ecamm or StreamYard or something like that. Again, is crazy the amount of stuff that you could do with this. So I'm going to show you this right here. This is the box. Obviously, this is the system right here, but this is the box, and it comes packed really well, and I'm just gonna open it up just so give you an idea when you get it. Obviously, it's gonna come in this box. It's also gonna come with a book that has some instructions and things like that. And again, it has 32 keys. So essentially, you see the keys right here. You could program these keys to do different things. So again, here you have it right there. And again, this is just a box. So let me show you actually the setup right here. And this is live, guys. I have it live connected right now to my computer, and like I said, you could do so many different things. So this is kind of how it looks right here. Again, I got the 32 keys. You could get something like 15, and this is actually not the second generation. This is the first generation, but the 15 keys, it does have a second generation as well. It has a Mark II, which it looks kind of like the same. Now, if I go like this, I could remove this back portion right here, and obviously you have a cable right here with a USB-C that is connected to the computer. Again, you may not want to have this. You may want to have it set up like this in top of the table. This is actually a really nice angle because you could see the keys, you could see everything inside there, and again, it is what it is. Or you could have it set up this way right now, like I got it, just like that, right? And it kind of sits like this in your desk, right? So again, the quality, I'm going to tell you, the quality is really fantastic. You could just tell it feels good. It's really nice. Now the buttons, when you press them, they feel like they come back as you press them. They kind of lift up, and you could really feel it. You feel when you push it, you feel it when they come out, and all that. So again, the design is beautiful. The system is screen quality, Stream Deck right there. And now you're gonna see some of these buttons. Now the reason why you see some of these buttons on and some of them are not is because you could program whatever buttons you want, right? And I got it set up like this. I still got a lot to do. I still got a lot of setups that I got to do. But again, it's just however you want it. And it's kind of like 32 keys, but you could do anything you want. Like if I come here to my main screen that I have so far, as you can tell, I have different folders, right? So this is the Ecamm folder. If I press here, I could, while I'm streaming here in Amazon Live, I could do many different things, right? Lower third, this is when I'm streaming, right? I could run my initial slide. I could run my countdown right here, which is, again, it's going to be 1 minute. I could run my main camera. I could share my screen. I could do different noises that I got right here. So when somebody does something that I want to make a noise, I don't just go in the computer and press. I press the button and it happens. It's fantastic. It works really good. I could go live. You can see here live for now. Right now it says finish because I'm recording. So if I press here, my recording will stop, right? I don't want to do that right now because obviously I'm making a video. So really fantastic. Really cool what you can do. If I go up and I go into this file right here, I've been working on creating Final Pro Cut shortcuts, right? So I could zoom in, I could zoom out, I could cut, I could start the program. If I press here, Final Pro Cut will start. Again, you know, I could copy, I could paste, I could play the video, I could start the video. And again, you know, I got some of this that I haven't set out because, again, you know, as I'm doing editing and things like that, you know, it kind of comes to me like, wow, I think I need this icon, or I think I need this. Boom, I've set it up. So now I know. So again, as I'm using this, I'm setting out different shortcuts and things like that. So again, really a fantastic thing. If I go up right here, you're gonna see that I have a couple other ones that I have set up. I got Amazon, I got QuickTime, I got Google Chrome and things like that. I got my calendar right here if I press. It's just quick things that I use all the time that, again, it's just little things that I want to do that works for me. Again, some people like to keep track of their CPU. Some people like to keep track of the temperature in the computer. All those things you could put them in here. And the cool thing about it is that if you get this and you download the software is free. And then there are so many plugins that you could download, and then you could start, putting the plugins and things like that. If you notice, I'm going to come back here. If you notice here in Ecan, it has, like, actually the button itself, it has the scenes that I'm running. So again, all those buttons are customizable and all that. It's really cool how you could put like the mute, the play and pause, the different sounds. All those buttons are customizable, are buttons that you could utilize in your string and things like that. And again, it gives you like an idea what it actually is. The key here is going to be actually creating some kind of memory so you know where the buttons are. But I'm going to tell you, I did my first string in Amazon Live with this, and it was so amazing. I was able to change through the scenes really quickly. No longer I got to get the mouse and kind of look to the computer. I just press the button and it happens. So Stream Deck, 32 keys. I love it. I think it's fantastic. And you know what? Money well spent. There you have it, guys. This thing is amazing. I love the Stream Deck. Like I said, one of my favorite pieces of equipment. Put comments down below and let me know what you think. And I definitely see you in the next video.